Agarwood, also known as oud, presents a captivating fragrance profile that blends sweet, bitter, and woody elements. The top notes introduce a dry, earthy, and slightly smoky wood aroma enriched by a warm resinous quality and subtle hints of spiciness. As the fragrance develops, the middle notes bring out an intense, smoky facet layered with a warm, sweet balsamic tone and rugged, rich leather undertones. In the base, the scent deepens with a natural, earthy quality, balanced by the smoky sweetness of incense and sensual musk with a faint touch of sweetness that harmonizes the darker, more bitter and woody notes, creating a complex and alluring scent. Performance elements. Longevity. Agarwood fragrances are known for their exceptional longevity, often lasting from 8 to 12 hours or more on the fabric. This long-lasting quality makes oud-based scents ideal for extended wear. Sillage. The sillage of Agarwood fragrances is generally strong, creating a noticeable trail that can linger in the air as you move. Oud's bold and distinctive scent can project well without being overwhelming. Projection. Agarwood fragrances have moderate to strong projection. While not overly aggressive, they can fill a room and remain noticeable at a distance, especially during the initial hours of wear. Season. Oud fragrances perform best in cooler seasons such as autumn and winter due to their rich, warm, and intense nature. The deep, smoky and resinous notes complement cold weather and provide comfort and warmth. Occasion. Agarwood is versatile but is often associated with formal, special occasion, evening wear, and luxurious settings. Its complex and sophisticated profile makes it suitable for events where a strong, memorable impression is desired. Type. Typically categorized as oriental, woody, and smoky, Agarwood fragrances embody an exotic, luxurious, and often sensual character. Mood. Oud evokes feelings of confidence, mystery, and elegance. Its deep and opulent nature can create a mood of sophistication and allure. Al Wahid brand offers a quality roll-on attar at a very affordable price, providing a pleasant and soothing fragrance suitable for regular or party use, and is a great product to awaken positive vibes and enhance your mood. You can use it as a pocket roll-on attar. Apply half a milliliter per use for best results. Do not apply on the body, for apparel use only. And do not consume odoriferous substances. All ingredients listed are synthetic aroma chemicals used to create the fragrance notes. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this information useful. Please share your valuable feedback in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content.